Recall activity 2 for the lesson angles and lines. Concurrent lines, parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and what else? So in this notation, we see that an angle may be denoted by x or y or simply by the vertex O with a hat if there is no ambiguity. Ambiguity يعني غموض of O if O is the common vertex of many angles. So in this case إذا كان في عندي الانجلز أنا ممكن إنه أرمز للانجل بالفيرتكس اللي إلها. أما في حال كان في عندي أكتر من انجل بيشتركوا بنفس الفيرتكس أنا ممكن أعطيهم the numbers. So we say that this angle, if this vertex is O, so this angle is O1, this angle is O2, and this angle is O3, and this angle is O4. Of course, with a hat for each of them. So, بهيدي الحالة. As we see this figure, we have XOU, we can say that it's O1. Indicate two opposite angles in the figure and how many are there. So first of all, let's do the first part. We have to indicate the opposite angles. What are the opposite angles in this figure? We have the vertically opposite angles O4 and the opposite of it, which is O2, and also O1 is vertically opposite to O3. The second part, what does O1 represent with respect to O2? O1 with respect to O2. So what does O1 represent with respect to O2? O1 is the supplement of O2. And then what does O1 represent with respect to O4? O1 with respect to O4, O1 is the supplement of O4. And then prove that O2 equals O4. So as we see here, angle 4 has the supplement O1, O2 has the supplement O1. So both of them has the same supplement. So then O2 equal O4 since they have the same supplement O1, because two angles having the same supplement are equal. What is the sum of the four angles? O1, O2, O3, and O4. So O1 and O2 are supplementary and their sum is 180. O3 and O4 are supplementary, their sum is 180. And then O1 plus O2 plus O3 plus O4 equals 180 plus 180, which is 360. And then if one of these angles measures 90 degrees, what is the measure of the other angles? What can we say about the two lines in this case? So if one of these angles is right, then all the other angles should or must be right angles. If one of these angles equal 90 degrees, then all the other angles are right angles. And then what could we say about the two straight lines XY and UV? We say that they are perpendicular to each other, and we denote that by this XY perpendicular to the straight line UV.